Good morning, Jim.
Good morning.
I would like you to show our viewers how we watch our photos on the TV all day long.
Okay. It's tough.
I know.
Remote. One button.
Wow. Look at that.
Yep. All I have to do is turn on the TV. Oh, that was 3 years ago.
That was Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday sunrise because we went to the Grand Canyon because we had to get our van fixed. These are great pictures.
So yeah, we use this kind of as a memory test too. So where was that, Jim?
This was on the Mississippi.
Oh my, this is
But
from
you were in Turkey.
This is from 1999 and when Mom and I were on a boat in Turkey. Ooh. See, I could do this all day. This is so much better than anything on TV.
It is so much better.
But what if you did want to watch TV? What do you do?
Well, you just have to change the input. Yeah, but you have to push the right button.
What's this button do?
Okay.
All right. So now we're watching TV.
Yep.
All right. So what if you're done watching TV? Do you turn the TV off?
I never turn the TV off anymore. I just put it onto the setting that is the pictures, and we have this on this TV, on our kitchen TV, and it's even available upstairs in our bedroom TV.
And where are these pictures coming from? I mean, are you secretly clicking on your phone here to make these pictures happen?
All of these pictures are stored in Google Photos, and we choose which albums we want to see, and we can change that, or we can just let it go with a huge album. It's just so much fun.